All right, YouTube, what's going on? So I think Rick Webb posted a... Yeah.
Are you gonna see my shadow?
Yeah, I'm coming back. All right, I think Rick Webb posted a video on his wireless speaker setup, and I'm going to show you mine. I've done it before. Yeah, but I see it. So I got my Behringer mixer, and I got my Voco Pro transmitter here. It's on that frequency right there. And I have the mini XLR 3-pin connected there. I got the volume on the pack about quarter way, and it is going the wire that I'm using to connect to my Behringer mixer has a 1/4 inch, and I'm just plugged into the main out. I've got my main mix 12 o'clock. I mean, it's barely even coming up to 20 dB, excuse the toes. Then I've got RCA cable connected to mini headphone jack or whatever to the laptop. And then I've got my JBL Eon compact speaker outside. And there's the receiver. And I've actually have the receiver powered by a power bank that I bought on Amazon. There's the brand AI Bocian.
What?
And then I've got the back of this, and the adapter that I use for the power bank is a USB to a, what is this, 12 volt? 12 volt. And then 1/4 inch connected to the back of the JBL Eon into channel 1. And of course the JBL compact is battery powered. But I can also use this for a speaker that needs power into the wall. I've done this before at a wedding and it worked out great, and I just wanted to show you how I did it. Happy Good Friday, y'all. God bless.